Welcome to
Fun for Kids!
Like, Share, Subscribe.
Let's have fun!
Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. The moon kept shining so bright and smiling as stars began to play. The cow came back with a joyful moo and danced till the break of day. The happy cat still played his fiddle while friends all gathered soon. They sang a tune 'neath the glowing sky and waved to the merry moon.